Oh, I suppose I could go on forever and ever, you know. All different things keep cropping up in my mind, you know. I haven't really been able to sleep this week for thinking about it, and I so appreciate them allowing me to come in to see it. Well, everything just comes flooding back. You know, it's not any one thing in particular. It's just everything just comes. It's like, I don't know how to describe it. I suppose it's like turning pages of a book, you know, and I just don't know. It's so marvellous, you know, to be able to do this. We played hopscotch with a tin box, you know, polished tin, and we'd pack it full of rubbish, squash it down, and nobody would touch it. And you held on to that like it was worth your life. And we'd have skipping ropes that came off boxes of oranges that they used to, at the time, boxes of oranges used to come in with this twine all around them. We used them for skipping ropes and for swinging on the lamp. There was a lamppost right out here, outside this door. A gas lamp, because there were gas lamps then. We used to have the gas lighter. I used to come around at night and put them on. Yeah. And I used to get in trouble. My mother used to kill me if she caught me swinging on the lamp, because you're bashing your head. It's no good for you. My father wasn't working at this stage. And, well, my mother, women didn't work in those days, did they? There was no such a thing like as jobs for women anyway, you know. They just took care of the family, cleaned up, if you can call cleaning. When you look around here, there wasn't much to clean, was there? And here we had a line to hang our washing on. It was the only means of drying your clothes. When they were washed, that was. If you put them out in the yard, as it was called, now we call them gardens, but the yard then, if you had a washing line out there, you could never be sure your washing would still be there, even an hour after hanging it out.